Okay, so you guys voted for that poll, and well, here you go. Okay, so they don't spawn yet. You gotta press the T key. Yeah, they look kind of ridiculous. So if I can get this guy to turn around, let's see. You can kind of see the movement is smooth. It's easier with a bunch of them. So their movement speed directly correlates to their animation speed, basically. I'm having the best block party ever. So yeah, they're just kind of running around. You can't really fight them or do anything yet. They just kind of exist and do whatever they're doing. Oh, they're gonna get thrown off the edge of the world. Yep, they're falling off now. I won't be surprised if it crashes because of that. You can actually spawn a lot of them. I'm not even sure how many are spawned in the world. There's 200 of them. This is just ridiculous. Let me make it so if they fall out of the world, they delete. Let me see, it should be in... Don't even have it open. There we go. If this mob dot position dot y is less than 0, we're going to start a queue public, oops, private static final queue of integers. Oops. Let's just add this mob table key. So while deletion queue dot is empty, do a mob object this mob equals deletion queue. Oh, actually we can just do int leader equals deletion queue dot pop. Then we can do mobs dot remove deleter. We do mob plus deleter plus deleted. So it should be able to get rid of them. Let me check. So it's actually deleted them. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, so what's going on here is basically constructing a bone algorithm out of individual, basically meshes, and then reconstructing them to implement them like this. So I'm sure we can make this a little bit faster, actually. Let's go to the renderer. So right here, if we go to the mob object, we can do something interesting. We can do public mesh array, which we have to import this from our engine class. Meshes. And of course we make this fine. So what we can do here is meshes, whoops, this dot meshes equals body meshes. And then what we can do is not only copy that, oh, they're actually already copied into here. So this should just copy the object location in memory. Let me go back to our renderer. This mob dot meshes. And that should actually be a little bit faster because it doesn't have to do an ID lookup. Oh yeah, I fixed that same issue with the items now. Make it so you can spawn a lot of them. There's no way this could go possibly wrong. Oh my god. This is a little ridiculous. Just keep spawning them until the game just crashes, basically. A whole 6 FPS. How many mobs do we even have? 250. Just chug it along. Fortunately, I didn't have a way to clear the mobs yet. So we'll just keep walking this way with the slideshow. Because I'm still trying to perfect this system. It's lagging so much the renderer won't even keep up. That's okay, because this is still like a supremely early prototype. I don't even know why I did the animation like this. Their head moves up and down like that because I was trying to perfect the, basically the animation. Because, for looking up and down, because I'm going to transfer that to the player or third person viewing. But I didn't think it was going to look this, like, this ridiculous. It looks like an old Minecraft, like, pre-classic, where you could just press the button and spawn them. This is literally pretty much what that is, actually. But I didn't think it was going to, like, it's almost like the point where it's nostalgic. I just need to make it perform better. It might be the array list having problems, I'm not sure. I guess we'll just have to find out. My favorite part is when you spawn a whole bunch of them. And it looks like the windows, the old solitaire game. This is a future prediction to see what the actual servers are going to look like one day. Just absolute nonsense. Well, the thing is that I'm glad when I was testing this is even on servers that are lagging like crazy, even if the chunk isn't visually there, you can still walk on it. I like when their little timer, when the timer hits 1, they just kind of like explode. I don't know, let's see what this works with, or see how this works with rain. This should be interesting. I think I accidentally broke the rain. Rain. I definitely broke the rain. Either that or this isn't compiling correctly. So I've been having that problem with IntelliJ lately, where I would have to restart the client, otherwise some classes wouldn't get rebuilt. Very annoying. This looks so ridiculous. Well, I'm gonna take a little break now, and I'll go look at the polls and see what are the kind of stuff people want to see in the game, and that little voting thing. So I'll be back later. If you liked the video, why not leave a like? If you want to see more, why not subscribe and press the bell? And I have a Patreon link in the YouTube banner. Can't even speak anymore. And yeah, hopefully you enjoyed, and peace out.